Hi, my name is Lawson Knight. I live in Walla Walla and have 3 children that are part of Walla Walla Public Schools. My wife Cindy and I have been active in schools throughout our time raising children here. Today I want to talk about a few things. One is my background working with Walla Walla Public Schools and some insights maybe into the capital improvements we're looking to do. 2, my role with the Bond Oversight Committee, and 3, my experience maybe in hopefully having deeper understanding about why these are so important for the school district. So first, as it relates to my role with Walla Walla Public Schools, for many years I served as Executive Director of Blue Mountain Community Foundation. Each year that brought me to the campus halls to talk about scholarships. What I found was a can-do attitude as I met teachers in English classrooms that didn't let facilities stand in their way of reaching students, while at the same time our facilities here really are a headwind to them. For instance, electrical outlets were few, so technology was limited. I remember following one teacher having to walk sideways, shuffling down the middle of the aisle in order to accommodate all of the desks that room required to handle the students in her classroom. I remember a time when hot weather hit and the room felt above 85 degrees and students seemed to be melting, but teachers carried on. I've been here in the dark of winter when students were in coats just trying to stay warm as teachers soldiered on to deliver content. I think they do a really good job in the face of maybe facilities that aren't as good a friend as you would hope they'd be. That's why I'm excited to serve on the Bond Oversight Committee. I'm joining other business leaders, construction professionals, and finance pros to just watch how we expend public resources, those that our state are giving us in a match, and those that voters will allow us to spend if the measure passes. We'll be looking at things like, are we within budget and scope? How are we doing in spending the resources that have been allocated? And I think a key thing in this particular initiative is that if there are any excess resources that our district does follow through with its intent to return those to taxpayers. I'm particularly excited about the state match, that if I elect to go forward with this measure, as other voters may choose to do, that I won't increase my taxes and see an excess of $50 million pour into local coffers and go into construction improvements that are greatly needed. If you need more information, I hope you'll contact our Superintendent, Wade Smith, or visit the website www.wwps.org. Thank you.